Hey everyone, I'm Amber. Everything you're seeing right now, the numbers counting up, the charts drawing themselves, the key points zooming in, none of it was made by me. AI generated all of it. All I gave it was a topic. This is AI Presentation, a brand new feature that just launched inside JoggAI. And today I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, from a blank page to a finished video. Right now, if you want to make a presentation video, you've basically got two options. Option 1, put a person in front of a static slide and have them read it out loud, or stack up a bunch of still images and record a voiceover. The information gets across, but your viewer is gone in 30 seconds. That's exactly what JoggAI AI Presentation is built to fix. It takes your slides and makes them move, breathe, and hold people's attention, so your content actually lands. So, who is this actually for? Let me run through a few situations, see if one of them sounds like you. First, marketing teams. Product explainers, feature announcements, customer stories. That used to mean a designer, an editor, and a week of back and forth. Now it's one person and one afternoon. Second, training and education. Internal training, new hire onboarding, online courses. This is dense information, and dense information is exactly what needs visuals to land. Third, founders and sales teams. That pitch deck sitting on your desktop, that customer proposal, turn it into a video that talks and moves. Send it out, and it does your first round of outreach for you. Fourth, content creators. If you make data breakdowns, rankings, or comparison videos, this feature was practically built for you. Bottom line, if your content has information, data, or a point you want people to remember, stick around. All right, let's build one. Open JoggAI and on the home page, find AI Presentation. Click in. Step 1. Tell JoggAI what you want to make. In this box, type your topic. I'm going to type, generate an English tutorial video on daily expressions. Now, if you already have source material, this next part really matters. You can paste in a link and let JoggAI read the content, or you can upload a document directly. Do this step, and what comes out is genuinely yours, not a generic video anyone could have made. Then a few quick settings. Aspect ratio, landscape for YouTube and your website, vertical for Shorts and TikTok. Duration, how long you want the final video. Language, pick whatever your audience speaks. If you're selling overseas, don't skip this one. And the model. Right now it's running on GPT 5.6. All set? Let's move on. Here's something I like. JoggAI doesn't just hand you a finished video. First, it generates a script outline based on everything you gave it. The point of this step is to lock in the direction before anything gets rendered. What you're looking at right now is the full structure of your video. And if something's off, you don't have to rewrite it word by word. Just tell it what you want changed in this prompt box. Here's what I typed. Hit send. And there it goes. It regenerated just that section. Everything I didn't mention stays exactly where it was. Content looks good? Click next. Once you hit next, JoggAI takes that outline and automatically breaks your content into individual scenes. This is the storyboard. Every line of script now maps to its own scene. And this next choice is what decides whether your video is actually watchable. You're telling JoggAI how each scene should look. You've got 4 options. 1. AI presenter only. A digital avatar delivers the line straight to camera. Great for openings and closings, anywhere you want a human touch. 2. B-roll only. You don't have to go hunting for footage. JoggAI reads the script for that scene and matches relevant B-roll automatically. 3. B-roll plus AI presenter. Footage on screen and a person delivering the line. So far, pretty standard. Here's the one that makes AI presentation different. Dynamic slides. JoggAI reads the script for that scene and designs an entire animated slide around it. And I don't mean a static screenshot of a PowerPoint. I mean numbers that count up from 0, charts that draw themselves bar by bar, key points that scale up, get circled, and push right into frame. layout, color, motion, all generated in one pass. It's like having a motion designer sitting next to you, turning every page of your content into an animated infographic. Think back to those use cases. Announcing this quarter's revenue growth, the number counting up hits 10 times harder than you saying it. Explaining how your product beats the competition, a comparison table lighting up column by column, and people get it instantly. Walking through a 5-step process, the steps advance as you talk, so the visual never falls behind the voiceover. And slides aren't limited to solo use. You can put the AI presenter beside the slide while it animates in the main frame. That combination feels closest to a live talk, perfect for training and pitch videos. You can pair slides with B-roll for a richer look, or you can go slide only and let the content carry the screen entirely. Every scene is set independently. You don't have to commit to one style for the whole video. Wherever you need impact, that's where you use a slide. Oh, and if you get to this step and realize a line of script still needs work, click Generate Script. You can edit it right here. No need to go back. Content's locked, visuals are locked. Last step, pick your presenter and your voice. JoggAI has a huge AI presenter library, different looks, different styles. Just browse and pick. And if you've already made your own AI avatar in JoggAI, switch over to My Avatar and you'll find it there. That means you are the one on screen. If you're building a brand or a personal following, this matters more than people realize. Same face in every video is how audiences start recognizing you. Then pick an AI voice. You can preview it first.
Hey friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything.
Happy with everything? Hit Render. Rendering's done, and we're in the JoggAI editor for final polish. The layout is simple. On the left, the script for each scene. On the right, your slide drafts. JoggAI has already assembled the whole video based on your settings. First thing, click Render Audio to generate the voiceover. Once that's done, let's watch the whole thing through.
According to Ethnologue 2025, English ranks first by total native and non-native speakers. That broad reach makes everyday phrases useful. They help conversations start, continue, and feel easier.
Now, real talk, AI-generated slides don't always nail it on the first try. That's fine, you can redo any of them. Find the slide panel in the editor, click in, and every slide from this scene is right here. Find the one you want to change and click the reference button on it. That's how you tell JoggAI, this is the one I'm editing. Then write your request in the prompt box. 2 things you always want to specify: what the slide should look like and how it should move. Here's the prompt I used. Hit Generate, give it a second, and there's your new slide. Still not right? Generate again. Run as many versions as you want. I've also put a few prompt templates on screen. The 4 I reach for most. One for animated numbers, one for comparisons, one for process flows, and one for highlighting a key point. Each one covers a different type of content. Screenshot these now. They'll save you a ton of trial and error when you build your own. If you want to swap out a piece of B-roll, head to the Media panel. You can upload your own footage. And if you're making a product video, using real shots of your actual product changes everything about how convincing it feels. Or just pick from stock. JoggAI ships with a massive library of B-roll video and images, so you'll almost always find what you need. 2 things left. Pick a caption style you like and add a music track. Then hit Generate, and your video is done. Here's the final cut.
According to Ethnologue 2025, English ranks first by total native and non-native speakers. That broad reach makes everyday phrases useful. They help conversations start, continue, and feel easier. Say, how's it going? Like, how's it going? In everyday conversation, it is a friendly way to ask how someone is doing, not a request for a travel update. You can answer, pretty good, how about you? In a shop, say, I'm just looking around, roughly, I'm just looking around, to politely show that you want to browse and are not ready to buy. When someone makes a suggestion, you can say, that sounds great, to show a positive response. For example, if they say, let's grab a coffee tomorrow, you can reply, that sounds great. Now you've got 3 easy phrases to keep a conversation going. How's it going? To check in, I'm just looking around, when you want to browse, and that sounds great when you like someone's suggestion. Which one do you think you'll use first? Pick one, imagine the moment, and say it out loud. You might get to use it sooner than you think.
Let's run the whole thing back. Enter a topic, confirm the script outline, choose how each scene looks in the storyboard, and remember, wherever you need impact, use a dynamic slide. Then pick your presenter and voice, polish it in the editor, and export. 1 sentence in, a full presentation video out. That's it. Product explainers, training courses, client proposals, data content, whatever you're making, AI presentation takes the part that eats your whole week and compresses it into an afternoon. Want to try it yourself? Links in the description and the pinned comment. And don't forget to screenshot those slide prompts. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which JoggAI feature you want covered next. See you in the next one!